Hi everyone, welcome to my class English tutorial. Today I am here with the topic the types of determiners. We have already seen what is a determiner in the previous video. Link is given in the description box for your reference. Without wasting time, let's start the topic. Types of determiners. There are 5 types of determiners: articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, and numbers. Each type is vast and important, which needs detailed explanation for thorough understanding. As the purpose of this video is to help you identify the determiners, we will see each topic at the surface level. That means not in a detailed manner. First one is articles. There are 2 types of articles. One is definite article, another one indefinite articles. The is known as definite article because it is used to mention something in particular. It is used before some proper nouns, superlative degree, and when we refer some particular people or things. Example, the girl, the pink bottle, etc. Next one is indefinite article. A and an are known as indefinite articles. They mention things or people in general. A or an means one. Example, a dog, a cat, an orange, an honest man. In all these examples, the object is in singular case. I have given here some sentences for practice. I bought book, eraser and pen. He married ugly woman. Honest man is liked by all. I am second child of my parents. 4 sentences are given. In each sentence, some blank or dash are also given. First one, I bought a book, an eraser and a pen. He married an ugly woman. Here, before eraser we are using an, before ugly we are using an, because both of them, the first letter in eraser or the first letter in ugly, both of them are vowels. Not only that, they give us vowel sound. When the sound is vowel sound, then only we will use an. Third one, honest man. The first letter is H, but the sound is O, honest. So we are using here an honest man is liked by all. Fourth one, I am the second child. The second, before the ordinal. Ordinal meaning first, second, in this order. Before any ordinal, we have to use the article the, that is the definite article. Answers is a, an, a again, an, the. The second type is demonstrative. Demonstratives are words used to point out the things we refer to or speak about. I repeat, demonstratives are words used to point out the things we refer to or speak about. They are this, that, these, and those. These 4 words are known as demonstratives. See this example. In each example, you can see after the demonstrative, one noun is given. That particular noun is pointed out. This book is mine, meaning the book is pointed out. Then we have to speak like this. That painting is beautiful. The painting is pointed out. These pens are costly. We are pointing the pens. So, demonstratives are actually words used to point out the things we refer to. This and that are used to refer singular object. These and those refer plural objects. When we refer things which are very near to us, we use this and these. Far away things or far off things, we have to use that and those. This slide will make very clear the difference between this and that and these and those. The third one is possessive. Possessives indicate ownership. That means to whom a thing belongs to. There are certain words used for this purpose. In the first person pronoun, we use my and our. Second person pronoun, your. Third one, if it is a singular pronoun, then we have to use his, her, its. If it is plural, then we will be using their. So, possessives indicate ownership. The fourth one is quantifiers. Words that denote quantity are known as quantifiers. Words that denote quantity are known as quantifiers. It may be a small quantity or big quantity. Sometimes we use phrases also to mention the quantity. Example, a lot of, several, many, little, a few, plenty, plenty of. All these are known as quantifiers. And the last type of determiner is numbers. Numbers are of two types, cardinals and ordinals. Cardinals are numbers which give answer for the question how many. It comes in a series 1, 2, 3 in this manner. Ordinals denote the order of things, first, second, third in this way. I give here an example to make the concept of determiners very clear. First one, take great care of your health. In this sentence, your is the determiner. It is possessive. I answered all questions correctly. All, quantifiers. She likes that coffee shop. That, demonstrative. There are plenty of grains in the granary. Plenty of, quantity. The, article. There is little milk left. Little, quantity. These are your pencils. Your, possessive. In the sixth sentence, now you will be getting a doubt. Why can't we take these as determiner? If it is a demonstrative determiner, then there will be, after this, there will be a noun. Here there is no noun. So this is not a determiner. If you want to know more about these type of sentences, then you should refer the previous video, which I have already mentioned in the beginning of the video. Determiners. There I have given a clear idea about it. Once again, the answers we can see. Your, all, that, plenty of, the, little and your. Now we can summarize the topic, types of determiners. This slide will help you to know in a short form, in a short way, the types of determiners. I have given it in a tabular form. Articles a and the, demonstrative this, that, these, those, possessives my, our, your, his, her, its, their, numbers 1, 2 in this manner it goes, first, second, quantifiers, any words used to mention quantity. I hope the concept of types of determiners is very clear for you. If at all there is any doubt in your mind, put in the comment box. I will clarify it. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe it and show your like also. Thank you.